All right, good day. This is Mr. Emeka. I want to give you overview of the new update, the Schooltra new update. So here is the Schooltra new website here for schools. So the website is when you open it, you see a dummy website that you have to update before you can be able to effectively use it. So this is the interface. So what you need to do, for instance, you can click here for a result checker to be able to check your result. Click on the result checker and you wait for it to load. I'm having a quiet slow network here. You can see where you enter your admission number, you enter the result pin, and then you check your results. That's not what we're doing now. I want to show you how you can be able to configure the website. Here you can see this place. Okay, for instance, if you view this page on your mobile, you can see this place. You can see this place. This place you see here is the menu bar. I will remove this. So I will remove this. So this is the menu bar. When you click on it, you will see the menu you have here. You see the portals. So when you click on portals, by the time you click on portals is when it will now take you to where you will log in as staff. So here, this is your role. Let me expand this. Let me expand this. So here, if you are a parent, you select I am a parent. If you are a student, you select student. If you are a school admin or staff, like a teacher, you select this. Now, because of the update, your passwords are going to change. If you are a teacher or an admin, that is a staff, you need to log in with your phone number as password. For student, they log in with their admission number as password. For parents, they also log in with their phone number as password. So this is done for some security reasons. So by the time you log in, it is going to prompt you to change your password, which you will change a new password, and that is it. So now I'm going to log in. I'll click on login. The system is logging me in. So I've been logged into the dashboard. Now what I need to do now is I will look for school website. You can see school website. It is only admin that can see this. You can see admission management. If you're an admin officer, you will see this where you can be able to manage your admissions. So what we are concerned now is school website. So I'll click on school website and I will click on home. So home is this place that you see here, is the home. Okay, now I will just go back and you can see the sliders we have there, those pictures that are showing there and the write-ups. If you want to edit, you can click here to edit. You can remove the pictures, or you can enable or disable the button. If I enable the button, it will go out. If I enable it, it will come back. If I disable it, goes back. To add a new slider, I'll just click here. I'm going to add a new slider here. I'll say Schooltra on the move. We are creating something big. So here I will upload the image that will be sliding, the sliders image. So remember, your image must not be more than 300 kilobytes. So I'll upload this image now. Now this write up here, I'll select the color for the title. color for the title. I'll say okay, maybe I can select white, pale white. I can now select color for the description. So you know the color that can blend with your school color. So if you want to enable the button, you click on this to enable button, you put the button text, you can say apply for admission. If you're applying for admission, you can get the button link for admission page here. By the time you just click here, online admission. When you click on online admission, I've not integrated, I've not given access to this account for the online admission, but I will just copy this link here. That's what I'm interested in. I'll go back to the home. So I'll paste the link here so that whenever a parent or anybody click on this apply for admission, it will take the person to the admission portal. So I will now save. It is saved successfully. I'll go back to the home.
You know, college, check out.
Now you can see the slider is moving. Second slider, you can see the one I just created now. So that is it. If I click on this apply for admission, it takes me to, okay, I didn't click on it on time. So if I click on it, it will take me to, so it's loading, it will take me to the admission page. So let's go back first. We're coming back for the admission page. So other things you need to do here is, I'm having a very slow network, so bear with me. So the director's message, when you click here, you see the director's message. You put the director's picture, title, then the director's name, the director's position, then your welcome message that you want to do. It is very important that you configure your website very well. Put achievement, graduated student did this, they are here. When you go back to this place, you see the achievement row. This is the place. So this place now we're going is facility. You can see our facility. So you can upload, add new. It is very simple. Just play around with it. When you log in here, come to this place and you play around with it. When you go back to admission page, this is where you configure your admission page as it's supposed to be. Upload your pictures and pictures of your school and the write-ups you want there. About page, this is where you configure the about page. News and event, that is where you can see, this is where you configure your about page, what we offer and the rest. So let's go back. News and event. So news and event is where there's no blog yet. I can add a news, that is a notification, a news, maybe school resumption news or whatever. You can see the blog image here. You can see the blog details. So it's very important that you fill it appropriately. Here you can upload your gallery. So when you click on gallery, you can see the galleries that have been uploaded. You can delete any image I do not want. I'll just confirm that I want to delete the image. Then I click on add new to add a new image. So I'm going to add a new image now, but remember your image must not be more than 300 kilobytes. So I save this image. I don't want the video to be too long. The image has been saved successfully. So here when I click on gallery, I will see the images I have uploaded. So it is important that you configure your website appropriately. Thank you for following me here. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.